If you are looking for a light, fluffy, and deliciously sweet biscuit, ladyfingers are perfect for you, ideal for tiramisu or to enjoy as a snack dipped in coffee. Ingredients: 4 eggs with yolks and whites separated, 100 grams of granulated sugar, 100 grams of type 00 flour, icing sugar for dusting, a pinch of salt. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius and prepare a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Whisk the yolks with half of the sugar until you have a light and fluffy mixture. Separately, whisk the egg whites to firm peaks with a pinch of salt, gradually adding the rest of the sugar. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the yolk mixture with a spatula, using delicate bottom-to-top movements. Sift the flour over the mixture and gently fold it in as well. Transfer the mixture into a piping bag with a smooth nozzle and form sticks about 10 centimeters long on the baking tray. Dust the ladyfingers with icing sugar and wait a few minutes before dusting them again. Bake for about 15 minutes or until they are golden brown and slightly puffed. Allow to cool completely before using them for your tiramisu or dunking them in coffee. Remember to subscribe to our channel to never miss a recipe and visit our website for more delicious culinary ideas. Store the ladyfingers in an airtight container to keep their unique crispness. Happy baking and enjoy your homemade ladyfingers!